And
Yeah.
yeah, I want to say something. I saw your I saw your message on this group. So I was, who is this? Who is this? Because every day I saw your message. Okay, anyone free? I want to make conversation. So I'm waiting for you. I want to make conversation with you. I'm waiting. I was
Okay.
waiting.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Because after few days, I have in marriage because my home. So that's why
Okay.
I'm not completed my recording and completed my daily practice because
Okay.
marriage. And this
Mm,
time my mother-in-law is not come here my home.
mm.
So and I alone. That's why a lot of work. So I'm not able to practice daily to daily.
Okay. Okay.
Today my mother-in-law is come here, so I make conversation.
Okay. I have a query for you. What is the activities you do every day?
So
Am I
you are
visible? Am I visible to you? Am I audible to you, ma'am?
yeah, you are visible and audible.
Okay. Okay.
And I am
Yeah, I can see you. I can hear you both.
okay. So how are you?
Yeah, I'm doing well, ma'am. How about you?
Yeah, I'm also good and fit and fiddle. So how do you please introduce yourself because we are meeting very first time.
Right, right. Yeah. First of all, thank you. Thank you so much for giving me this opportunity to tell myself. This is Durga from Tamil Nadu. If I talk about my education, I have completed graduation. Then I got married. I have a child. Right now, I am a homemaker as well as YouTuber, as well simultaneously learner of this language. That's all
Oh,
about me.
yeah. So this is my turn. My name is Gita Chaudhary. I live in Dura near Fatehpur Sikri and I have two kids. This time I'm homemaker and learning English because I have YouTube channel. So that's why I make conversation video and upload it my on my YouTube channel. And if you talk
Okay.
about my qualification, so I completed my 12th class in 2014 and I have
Oh,
two kids, one daughter and one son.
okay.
Yeah.
Nice to hear about that.
If if you talk about my hobby, I stitching. I like stitching and sometimes I reading book. You can say
Okay.
dance is all girls are like dance. So I always like
Okay.
yeah. That time I do work household chores. That time I try to speak in English my work related झाड़ू लगाना खाना बनाना I speak in English try to
Okay.
and sometimes I read a storybook. My daughter is fourth class, so that's why
Oh,
they have a storybook, English storybook. So I like this read because
okay.
all books is short story is very easily you can say
Right, right. I
yeah
ex
and very easy
yeah,
to
I
read.
yes, yes. I learned many vocabulary from the stories.
Yeah,
Okay.
because small story lot of yeah, you can say 12 or 15 vocabulary easily you can say one story.
Yes, yes. Right.
Yeah.
You are right. But what is the
Some something.
problem?
What?
Yeah, what
I'm
is
not.
the problem? Yeah, no, it's okay. It's okay. What is the problem? We forget. That is our human nature, I can say. But we want to use those words regularly. Definitely, we won't forget.
Yeah, because if you select any vocab, any sentence related structure, then you use daily to daily, then you remind. And if you only few days you not speak in English that vocab and that sentence, you forget.
Mm. Yeah, right.
And if you don't mind, I can I share with you some structure in English sentence.
Yeah, sure.
Why not?
Why not?
So, do you know कोई तो होगा? What we
I
call
don't know Hindi, dear.
you can say कोई तो तरीका होगा उससे मिलने का कोई तो तरीका होगा वहां जाने का what we call in English.
I don't know Hindi. If you
Oh,
how to
sorry.
Yeah, I don't know
Yeah,
Hindi. My mother tongue is Tamil.
there must be some way. There must be some way.
Some B.
Some way. Way means rasta, tarika.
Tarika,
You
tarika
don't
means
understand. You don't
yes.
understand. You no
Because of I
problem.
don't know Hindi, right?
Yeah. You know, किसी भी तरीके से किसी को समझाना.
No,
Not
dear. I don't know
no
Hindi,
problem.
but definitely, my co-learners are inspiring me. You all are put lots of effort in Hindi, so I'm crucially, so I curious want to learn this Hindi. So definitely,
Okay.
after sometimes after first I master in this language, definitely I will learn Hindi.
Yeah. You know what is your mother tongue?
Tamil. My mother tongue is Tamil.
Tam- Yeah, that's why you not understand Hindi.
Right.
But I don't know Tamil language, what we call.
Right, right. It's when it comes to Hindi, it's rocket science for me. But when it
Yeah,
comes to my mother tongue, it's a piece of cake for me. This is also same like you. It's your language. It's piece of cake for you. Hindi is a piece of cake for you. But when you comes to Tamil language, it's rocket science for you. It's happened. It's happened. It's not
and
a
why
trick
are you learning English? Why are you learning English?
because this is nowadays it's a global language. I it's first I want to go to job. First I
Yeah,
build my communication skills, that is the main thing. But when I was in initial stage, I didn't like, but nowadays I am enjoying this process and I enjoying this learning. Every day I meet every day I meet new strangers, audio conversation as well as video conversation. It's so happy to me, I can say.
yeah,
The every people when I meet every people, they all are make me delight.
yeah. You know, I'm very fascinated this language, and I make environment for my kid because I have two kid and my daughter is 8 year old. So that's why I make environment because English is very important for in future
Right,
everyone. So that's
right.
why I make conversation day to day and other person. So
Mm,
if they if she heard me and my language, so that's why make environment and the understand easily
mm, mm.
small sentence easily.
Right, right. But you have a partner there. You have a partner at your home, like your kids, because your kids,
Yeah,
one is 8 years old. She can understand, okay, what you speak. She doesn't understand. That time you make her understand.
yeah. You know, first time I speak English. The
Mm,
come here and go there. Please take this. So and then she is not understand. That's why I talk Hindi. So we
okay.
both language easily understanding.
Right, right. And then every day I come across lots of people, so I noticed one thing. Who is knows very like who is knows uh, 4 to 5 language, they all are learned. Her mother tongue also different. I have she learned from the school, that the school language also like different, like I take a Urdu. Okay, but Urdu is her mother tongue, but Hindi is a common language and around that side. So
Yeah,
when she went to when she will go to the job, that time also she will face English related problem. So she learned uh, English, right?
you know,
So
English is a very global language, and all people are interested English because English is and somewhere it need to English.
right,
Any
right,
job, any school, any work.
right.
Yeah,
So simultaneously, they are crossing the 23 year. 23 age, that time they learned 3 to 4 language. I I was surprised. Oh my god, oh, I was waste my time when I was in child, when I was in teenage. Okay, let it be. Nowadays I have a time, I have to improve myself. I have to work on my communication, as well as I want to improve my language skills, and then uh, computer skills, everything.
Yeah, but my one finger is not, so that's why I'm not able to computer.
Oh my god, why? What happened?
You know, but I'm not explain in Hindi because you are not understand Hindi, and English is not very good for me. And
It's okay,
in
no issue. Let me try. Let you try. Let
you,
you try to
yeah,
speak.
tractor, tractor,
Tector,
yeah,
tector means
4 wheeler. You
ah
can say, yeah,
okay.
tractor. Yeah.
Okay.
So I take my hand this you can say boundary, tractor boundary. I take my hand. Then
Mm,
ball is side inside ball, and tractor is coming fastly. So that's why
mm.
my finger is ball boundary on ball in you can say under. That's why cut
Oh my god.
in
Uh
childhood.
okay. What is the age that time?
You can say 7 year ago. 7 year my 7 year old
Okay,
that time
7.
because
Okay.
that time I study in third class.
Okay. Oh my god.
Yeah, but this time is this very no. I'm not like this hand because
No,
finger is
no, dear. Don't sweat it. Okay, you don't sweat it. You have a everyone has uniqueness. Okay, you don't
you.
worry about that. You have a good things. Any another things like a speaking, cooking, and then you teach your students as well as children. Everything you have a uniqueness. You will have to find your uniqueness. Definitely, you will achieve your goal, that you go that flow.
I have a dream like a police. I like a
Oh,
police and any job, a computer
mm,
job. But this finger, I'm not able to that like a police and any computer course. So that's why
mm.
I'm standing. What? Why this me?
Okay, let it be. That is, how to say that? If you don't have a, if you don't have a that kind of the path, definitely God will give you another path.
Yeah, yeah.
Okay, you
You
have to,
can.
you have, yeah, you have to follow that path, but definitely you will achieve your goal.
Yeah, and this time na I have lot of hobby and good hobby. You can say stitching and dancing, singing. I'm
Hmm.
singing all lok geet. You can say lok song,
Hmm.
ladies geet, and lots of hobby. Stitching
Okay.
and sweater bunna, lot of.
Hmm. Okay. Okay, fine. Which one is you like most? Definitely, you will try. You will make business, or you will make, uh, mm, yeah, you will make small business. Definitely, it will work.
But this time I'm only one dream. My kids are speak in English in future.
Uh, you
Yeah.
have to say in future, my childrens will be speak in this language. That is my achievement.
Yeah.
While speaking,
Because
I also make mistake. Yeah, while speaking, I know mistake. Who I don't know. After sometimes I watch this video. Definitely, I rectify my mistake. Okay, this is my mistake. But while speaking, we don't know. But someone front of the people, this is your mistake. Who that person tell me that only, okay, this is my mistake, but I know that is small silly mistake, but okay, let it be.
I'm
Without
learning
mistake
now.
we can't
This
learn
time
anything.
mistake is only. because learning time,
Yes, yes.
are not
Without mistake, we
fluent.
can't learn
If
anything.
we if we speak try to speak in English every day, then
Mm,
we also increase.
right, right.
Yeah,
Okay, I have one query. Do you know the eavesdrop word?
yeah.
Do you know the word eavesdrop?
No, not about no.
Okay, let me understand that word. Okay, eavesdrop, like E-A-B-E, yes, drop,
Mm.
T-R-O-P, drop. Okay, eavesdrop. This is the spelling. Okay, this is
Oh,
called. Okay, this is called. Uh, how to say? To listen secretly. To listen secretly to to other people conversation. For example, hello, am I audible to you?
yeah,
Am I
you are
visible?
visible. Yeah, you are visible.
Okay, okay. But I can't see you.
I'm not
Yeah,
visible.
yeah. Right now it's okay. Yeah, I can see you. I can hear you.
Okay.
Yeah. That what is the meaning of this? I have already told you to listen. Okay, to listen secretly to other people conversation. For example, uh, hackers can. Okay, hackers can eavesdrop our conversation, our phone conversation.
Yeah, you know, your meaning in Hindi, Raj.
Raj,
Raj, you can say uh, गुप्त गुप्त बातचीत in Hindi. You
no dear, I don't know
understand
Hindi.
Hindi.
Yes,
Yeah, but your
yes,
English, what we you understand me, explain me that in Hindi you can say Raj.
Raj. Okay,
Yeah.
Raj. Okay, I got it.
I think
Yes.
video is enough because video is more long. I'm not more long because my mobile data is not enough for this
Okay,
video.
okay, dear. Fine, fine.
Yeah. Okay. Bye.
Yeah.
Nice to meet
Bye.
you.
Nice to meet you.